So I forgot a couple of minor things in the previous update video, and one fairly major one. So the minor things, if I had it to do over again, probably would do the concrete pad here as part of that driveway pour. I was having fun. Also, probably would do a concrete pour here at the bottom of the steps from the main deck. There was in addition to the driveway, there was a concrete pour over in back of the garage. Let's go take a look at that briefly. So this is the back door to the garage. So there's a driveway out here that will eventually be concreted as well. So this was in addition to the first part of the driveway, and it was kind of partially visible in the time lapse of the last video. There's Marley. Oh, she's got the Zoomies. So a day or two after the concrete was poured, we had like a massive downpour. I mean, it rained most of the day. This was late August, and it was kind of like really late October weather around here, which was actually kind of fortuitous because that was the time that something was scheduled that if I had made the decision later in the process, I probably would have held off on, but I in no way regret. And that was to put an underdeck drainage system in this main deck area here. And that decision was made several months ago, but they were backed up, so they only got to come out fairly recently and do that work. And you can kind of see right there that pipe going down. And I'll insert some pictures of what it was like when the installation was going on. And the nice thing about the rain during that period was that it really showed why this is such a valuable thing. Here's the nearly completed underdeck system. This will allow this space to be used pretty much year round, because when it rains, as it is oddly doing today, it takes all the water, and I think there's a drain up here and along there, and probably the bulk of the water goes down to that drain, which again feeds there and then down into the ground. Went ahead and got some lights as part of the process. They don't work currently. When the next phase of the electrical is done, they will hopefully be hooked up. But this makes this space usable, pretty much year round. Some point in the future, I might enclose these walls here, make it a sunroom. What are you doing? Good girl? You being a good girl, huh? Yeah. Oh, there's a dog behind me. A shadowy dog. So this is all stainless steel, and took about a day and a half for the installation. Lifetime warranty. So it should be good for quite a long time. And as the pictures kind of show, this just makes a huge difference, because without this underdeck drainage system, when it rains, the deck above is not really covered. It gets very wet down here and it makes the space not particularly usable. And now it is. So, like I said, from if I'd made this decision later in the process, I would have delayed, but I'm very glad that I didn't. Oh, Marley's found a rock or something. Yeah, that Marley. She can find fun in the oddest places. Is that a wrap, Marley? Huh? Is that a wrap? Yeah, I guess that's a wrap.